Okay, so welcome to another session of our practice set 6 alkyl halides and elimination reactions. Josh, no? Uh, we're done with 26A. So you need to answer 26B and 26C. So, yeah. Um, ang question dito is starting with an appropriate alkyl halide and using any other needed reagents. It's up to you on how you will arrange the synthesis. You need to outline the synthesis of each of the following for B and C. Whenever you'll have alternative possibilities um, for your synthesis, dapat pipiliin mo yung better yield. Okay? So, you may now start resuming your answers, finalizing your answers for letter B and C, 26 B and C. So, letter A, 1 over 2 to eh. So, B and C. Or are you done with this, yung B and C? Not yet? Nga eh. So, yeah. Sige, go ahead, Josh. I'll let you finish first 26B and C before we check them. Tapos, you'll proceed with 27 and 28 later. Okay? Sige, go ahead. You may also, write your answers dito sa lower portion of the problem para you don't have any problem with the space.
Unnecessary pero mas better yun.
Yeah, go ahead. You will defend your answer naman to me later. Parang yung last time lang din, ang sinagot mo ay primary. Pero nag-make sense naman sa'yo na secondary alkyl halide. Yeah. You just select the most plausible synthesis pathway and the most reaction that will give you the highest yield. Those are the conditions for the problem eh.
Ano pala, ano,
Mm. You need to orient or check the orientation first of the um, reagents
wala
there
pa
or
akong wala pa kasi walang direct na equatorial tsaka
Hmm. So it means kung sino lang yung naka-up and down, yun lang siya. Ay, bakit kita binibigyan ng clue? Tsaka naman, kitang-kita dito sa letter B ay uh, you'll get it once you know the answer or once you'll have the answer then. If you're done with B, you can proceed with C, ha? Mm, Go ahead. Buti with you don't have classes today for physics, Josh. Yeah. Mukhang wala yata. Mhm. By the way, for tomorrow, Josh, we will not meet. Bali, twice lang tayo nag-meet this week. We'll be meeting na next week, Monday. Ha? May event lang kasi ako tomorrow. Tapos, part ako ng organizing team.
Oh,
I'm the host. I'm the host of our company party, so nagtitipid.
okay.
Yan eh. Yeah. Mm-mm. Tsaka okay lang we met naman na this November. I think this is our 11th time meeting this month. So exceeded naman na yung natin, parang expected meetings. You show me the synthesis steps para at least we can verify um the product.
Para may anak.
Oh, you're done na pala. Sige, let's check. Check. Check muna natin tong 26 ha. Okay. So for letter B, obviously, since this is ano naman, no, um, internal alkene and at the same time you don't have any substituent surrounding your cyclopentane, it means that everything is symmetrical or in the same environment, no? So kung meron ka mang beta hydrogens doon, or if you will have an alkyl halide, they will have the same set of beta hydrogen. So, yep, bromine will be the best. Pwede rin namang iodine, no? Um, pero this is a good, ano na, good set naman na ito ng what do you call this reagents. And then you need a strong base here, tibuok na, wow, para elimination agad. And then via E2, very good. Ito siya. Okay, good, 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 good. Tapos, ayun pala, Josh. Ang mga nakakalimutan mo. Sorry, hindi ko rin to na-check nung ano, nung, nung last time. So we'll have, yung sa 26A, since you're doing E2, tingnan mo, you need to use any other needed reagents. Alam mo kung ano yung nami-miss mo? Okay lang yun, nabawas ka naman sa A. O, i-retain ko yung score mo sa A, 1/2. Ano ang nami-miss mo dyan sa synthesis mo? Ta-da-da! So automatic, both B and C may minus 0.5 ka na.
Habang.
Ano? Meron kang missing. Sige, i-check mo. A very important uh, factor or a very important reagent when doing organic synthesis. Tingin mo ano? Mhm. Ha? Ano? Sorry, again. Any other needed reagent? Or what are your factors for performing the reaction? You have the starting material, reagents, tapos magkakaroon ka ng products. Ano pa? Where do you place them? Ano yung environment nila? Mhm.
So, pwede yan.
Oy, no, that's a bad.
Wait, ano ko na. Hindi po siya reagent. Reagent.
No. Kahit ikot-ikotin mo yan, you
Hindi po
cannot
siya
perform. Look.
Oh no.
So,
Not this.
any other needed reagents. So, this whole stuff here, they cannot proceed without the environment, and that is your solvent. But anyway, you can use a letter A, you can use ethanol here. Sorry, E2 to, no? So, DMSO, DMF, right? So, lahat yata to E2. No? Sunod-sunod, ito, succeeding
Habang.
E2s to eh. So, ano nga yung ano mo?
The
Acronym?
solvents are not by definition.
But it's included here. Outline the synthesis.
Oh no.
So you should have.
Ba't kailangan niya po
Oo, at saka, huy, very important yan. Imaginein mo kapag wala kang solvent, ang hirap yan gawin.
gas po?
Paano kung dalawang solid yan? You wait for them to
Sa gas
react.
na lang.
Ano sa gas? No. Anyways, ano nga to?
Anyway,
Polar aprotic solvent. Ano nga yung acronym mo doon? Polar aprotic. PA. Aprotic solvent. Ano? APP. Why APP nga again?
ano?
Aprotic. Polar aprotic. So you need polar aprotic solvent here. Yan. Okay. So let's say EGDMF. Tapos, pwede rin naman DMSO. Yun. So, minus 0.5 ka kaagad sa mga to. Yan. So, we'll check. Correct. Tama ka naman sa lahat. So, I'll give you 1.5 over 2.
Oo.
Uy, pero wag mong kakalimutan yan ha. Seryoso ako,
Ano
Josh.
eh.
Pag sinabing synthesis, you need to include the solvent. Seryoso. Minsan pa nga kung kaya mo i-predict pati yung temperature if needed. Since this is E2, pwede naman to mag-occur kahit ano eh, room temp. Pero kasi kalaban niya si SN2. However, ang maganda kasi dito yung reagent mo ay si Tibook. So, hindi niya na kagad iaano yung SN2. Hindi niya na priority na reaction. So, you can also add heat here so that to promote elimination. Not so much heat like siguro mga 80 degrees to 90, okay na yun, enough na yun. Or hindi naman 80, sorry. 50 to 60, that's enough for E2 to occur. Okay, for letter C, you have an alkyne here and it's attached to a third butyl. Okay, correct. Mag-elimination ka. So, strong base lang. Very good. Strong base ang hinahanap ko dito. So, sodium amide will do. Pwede rin naman mga sodium hydride. Mas very strong amide naman yung strong base naman yung mga yun, no? So that we can eliminate the HBr. Okay, so ito muna ang tinanggal mo. Yeah, so definitely wala to. Possible to, correct. Mhm. No choice. Okay, correct. This is also 1.5 over 2. So overall, 3, 4, 4 out of 6 for 26. Yeah, you may now continue answering number 27, Josh. Okay lang yan.
Okay.
Mataas naman yung scores mo sa other items. I'm really sure you will just cover up. The other items will cover up this insufficiencies for number 26. Sige, go ahead. 27 and 28.
Kaya mag-ring.
Ring closure?
Tama.
Yeah, it's up to you kung ano, kung gusto mo mag-ring closure. Basta ma-prove mo lang siya later. I will not give any more clues.
So sad.
You done, Josh, for number 27?
Para magkakaroon is
Hmm.
ano na 'to, I'm so shocked lang. I have read
Hmm. You can also, ano, ang tawag doon, do or show the synthesis pathway if ever you'll have multiple reactions or multiple steps so that we can see yung formation ng products. Josh, sabi dito ay the meeting will end in 10 minutes. You know the
Okay.
drill.
Sige.
Yeah. Don't
Nasa ko
worry.
na po yung
Sige,
nasa
just
ko na po.
continue
Kaya
answering
kailan
lang.
na daw orbital.
Uy, ano mag-orbital? I-check mo lang yung mga synthesis pathway or
Kasi
the
baka,
steps.
I think I have a suspect, pero I'm not sure kung
Mm. Okay, sige. Go ahead, go ahead.
okay.
What hint?
Okay. Ano ko na.
Okay. We'll check that after you're done with 28.
Okay.
Josh, yung 28 kulang pala. So, kaya pala nagtataka ako. Parang kulang yung 28. Walang tanong dyan. You need to take a screenshot of number 28. You can do that via your, ano, can you access, Josh, the practice set? Ito. Ito, Josh. Take a screenshot of number 28. Yun, ito. Yan ang 28, Josh. Kadugtong ng 28.
Okay. Kaya pala. Kaya
Mahaba
pala
siya
pala, no?
actually. A to K
Anyway,
siya.
diba?
Okay na? Checkan na muna natin yung 27 before you proceed with 28 kasi mahaba to eh. You're good? Na-screenshot mo na, Josh? Okay na, Josh?
Aba.
Hi, Josh. Okay, good.
Eh, kanina pa
Sel.
hindi ko mag...
Okay. Then, uh, can you split the image hindi. After you paste the continuation of 28, split mo na lang yung image ng previous problem, para ma-move mo si 28. There, eto. Ay, ako na, Josh. Oh, nakapil lahat.
On. Eh, napanood mo ba? Mm.
Hindi siya lumalabas.
Kaya akala ko, ano ba yung ano ng 20?
This is the problem. Wait, wait, wait. Eto. Ayan. Tapos move mo to pababa, Josh. Ayan. Ito yan. Yarn. Yan. Perfect. I need to crop this. Well, we can crop this, right? Para ma-remove ko si 28. Oh, seryoso ba to, Josh? Hindi mabubura tong... Okay. Yun. Tas, yan. Loading lang, Josh. And inayos ko na yung number 28 din para magkakasama sila. Ayan. It's still loading, though. Yun. Okay na. Tapos, i-move ko tong number 27 mo, Josh, ah. Ayan. Hmm.
Yun. Okay. Ako.
Ayan. Better.
So, parang ano mo.
Hindi, let's answer
Parang
muna yung 27. Oo, yeah. Ginalaw
parang
ko siya,
one problem na.
Ah, correct. Dinugtong ko siya eh. So, let's answer first 27 before you proceed with number 28, ha? So, under certain reaction conditions, 2,3-dibromobutane, 1, 2, 3, 4, correct? Dibromo reacts with two equivalents of base of two sodium amide. Pero dito ang base mo is si sodium amide. Lagyan lang natin to, Josh, ng 2. So, hindi naman to part ng problem. Unless sinabi na ilagay yung reaction. Each of which contains, to give three products ABC. So, ito yung ABC. What are the structures of ABC? So, structures lang yung hinahanap ko dito, no? So, product A has two sp hybridized carbon atoms. So, automatic, it's an alkyne. So, A is correct. Product B has one sp hybridized carbon atom and product C has none. What are the structures of A, B, and C? So, wow, very good. So, sa una kasi, pwedeng dito yan. Tapos, ito yung second. Kasi beta hydrogen lang naman yung need mo eh. So, beta hydrogen dito, double bond, then leave. Then, pwede rin dito, no? Na beta hydrogen. Ah, ito, C. Ito yun, si C. So, once you have here, you still have hydrogen here. So, attack dito, double bond, then leave. Okay, correct. So, 3 out of 3 to. So, 1 SP and then, okay. So, B, 1 SP hybridized, letter C has none. Very good. Tama to. So, 3 out of 3 ka. Record ko na. Number 27, 3 out of 3. Okay. You may now proceed with number 28, Josh. Yan. So for 28, we have 11 items here. In fact, no, A to K.
Okay. Ay, okay, okay. Na mabigay or yung ano mega.
Yeah, sige. Pwede, wait. Sige, yung mechanism na lang. Ang important dito, Josh, is you need to
Sa
identify
malabel lang po,
each
no?
product.
Malabel na
Uh,
lang.
yeah. You just label the mechanism. And then, what's important here, Josh, is you identify each product form and predict the relative amount of each product. Parang when you say relative amount, you can just say, oh, this is the major product, this is the minor product, etc. Okay? Clear ba yun? Clear, Josh?
Abang.
Okay. So you need to identify the products and their relative amounts.
I thought product. na lang, tama, for ito
Pero anong specific na elimination?
tama, parang pareho lang. Iodine abate? Yung iodine, yung ano,
Iodide yan, Josh, yung sa E. I don't know.
I don't. Oh, wow. Ano kasi yung ganito, bacteria.
There. Hindi, yeah, bacteriophage. Virus.
Ayan po, wait lang.
Yung ano niya, yung capsid, hexagonal virus.
This
Ano nga tawag dun sa ano, sa
can't be a
tails niya?
coincidence.
Yeah, viral tail.
It's literally a bacteria.
Uh, what do you call this? Yung parang neck, uh, connecting the
Organ.
capsid.
Ang ano nila, parang stalk na anyway. So, why is
Tapos
it,
itong mga paa.
why does it look like a bacteria? Pa, side by side.
Yeah. And nature tells you that ano,
So, bacteriophage.
uh, uh, so bacteriophage coded. Or
Wow.
maybe Josh, the bacteriophage is so cyclohexane coded.
Ano, isa, one, three cycle, one cycle, three. Halide ano,
One-third
eh.
butyl, one-third butyl cyclohexane. Parang, pero it's not surprising, no? Even yung ice ka, hexagonal yun eh. Yung kapag, di ba? Kapag solidify yung ice,
Ano nga,
hexagonal din siya.
hexagon kasi yung one of the only regular polygon.
Mm. Kaya parang sa nature, it's natural or it's common to find hexagonal stuff. Kasi yung mga molecules themselves, hexagonal din yung pine-prefer nilang shape or orientation.
I just draw icons. So, kapong pangalan.
Why?
Ay,
Why? It means you need to draw that.
kasi actual
Mm-hmm.
oh, it's when possible. Uh,
Tell me, Josh, if you're done na. Anyway, we still have 7 minutes left for this meeting, Josh. Just rejoin if ever this one will be cut, okay?
Tama.
Quick CR lang ako, Josh, ha? Pero continue mo lang. Less than a minute na lang, Josh, for this round of meeting. Just rejoin, okay? Hi Josh, continue mo lang yung pagsagot. I think you're in letter J already, right? Can you hear me, Josh? Rinig ba?
Yes, rinig.
Okay, good. Sige, continue mo lang. You're already in J. You ready? Not yet pala. You still have J and K. Sige, you finish J and K.
Nakalagay talaga po yung ay sa
If it's needed, if it's needed and the problem will, parang you can feel it naman if the problem will tell you that it needs answers for stereoisomerism, you may do so.
when I think about wait.
You're almost done. Why? Why wait? Why wait?
Parang ano pa yung rush, eh, alam ko na po bakit.
Why? I'm not saying anything here. Tell me if you're ready, huh?
Ako, wait. Why
If
would
those are your
iodine
final
why
answers.
would iodine
Mhm. I don't know.
that iodine dun, 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 the plan was foiled. No. Tama.
Final answer. Okay, sige. Let's check na these items for number 28. Okay, for letter E, let's check. Hmm. For letter E, So your major product here is okay. Okay. So actually, Josh, the products are correct. So you have one pentene and then an epoxy here. So one, two, three, four, five. Pentyl, ethyl pentyl ether. However, the relative amounts are incorrect. If you will notice, Josh, what is your reagent?
Ah,
Ethoxide, right?
yes.
However, what is your alkyl halide? Anong type yan ng alkyl halide?
Primary.
Therefore, substitution will be preferred,
Ilang.
not the
Ano pa, wait.
elimination.
Nagkamali ng please.
Don't worry. Okay. So, 2 points each naman to. So, mali ito. Baliktad. Baliktad. So, 1 out of 2 for letter A. So, yan. Every 2 points each yan. Or depende dun sa products. For letter B, the major product would be this one. Okay, very good. E2 mechanism. Oh, ayun. Akala ko wala to eh. Yeah, via E2. Even though the substrate is primary because the base is tibuok, no? So, hindered yan. Hindered strong base. So, actually in reality, Joshua, very small amount of um tibuok yung naka-ether group na tibuok will be formed. Pero virtually this is correct. Ito lang ang mabubuo. I'll give you 1 point for this kasi na-identify mo naman na E2 tapos this one. Full credit. 1 out of 1. E2, SN2. Okay. Wait. This is supposed to be 2 out of 3. Kasi yung mechanism pa, you need to identify based dun sa problem. You need to give the mechanism, then kung ano yung structure ng products and the amount, relative amounts of your product. So E2 and then this is the product. For letter C naman, Josh, practical purposes, you'll only have E2. This one will be the major. Very good. And then, kasi you have a very strong base here, si methoxide, right? Ito, methoxide is given here eh. And then, medyo mataas naman yung temp, 50. However, 50, pwede pa ito mag-substitution. Correct, very small amount din ni SN1 ang mabubuo dito. Yeah, kasi ito ay isang tertiary alkyl halide. So, virtually ito lang yan. Okay, I'll give you E2 major, 1 out of 1. For letter D, okay, same answer as above. Ito talaga, very good. Ay, wait. Correct ito. This is supposed to be kasi methoxide tsaka 50 minor. I'll give you 2 out of 2 here. Tapos letter D, ito yung 1 out of 1. Correct. Oh, ito ngayon yung problem mo for letter E. Defend your answer here, Josh. Why E1 ang mangyayari? What type of
So,
alkyl halide is this?
so, kasi wala yung
What,
sasabihin ko. Tama. Ay,
what type of alkyl halide muna? Yun muna. What type of alkyl halide?
sorry.
Okay, very good. This is a secondary alkyl halide. So everything is possible, right? Kasi secondary siya. However, if you will notice here, you have iodide here, right? Question, Josh, is iodide a strong base or a strong nucleophile? Strong base muna. Strong base or weak base? Very good. It's a weak base kasi weak acid ay strong acid siya nang galing HI eh. So automatic, this is a weak base. Actually, a very, very weak base. However, is iodide a strong nucleophile or a weak nucleophile? Correct. So ayun na yung sagot mo. This is a strong nucleophile and a weak base. So therefore, what will be the answer?
Fun.
Ton 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 ton. May iwan. Eh, hindi
Bakit
nga
ba?
siya strong. Hindi
Ay,
nga
bakit?
siya strong base. Ang
Ah,
elimination,
alam
unang-unang
mo, alam
requirement,
na po
strong base
bakit?
siya. Why?
Acetone.
Ah, ano
Acetone
naman
na
kung acetone yan?
acetone na mag-eli.
No. Acetone cannot eliminate.
Bakit ba?
Ano?
Baka pa pwede.
Hindi. Tignan mo.
Wala
Strong
siyang
base
base
bang
lang.
acetone?
Tama. Dapat
Mhm.
walang product. Dapat.
Uy, hindi.
Na pwede
Strong
pa
nucleophile to
mag-SN1.
eh.
Pag weaker,
Eh, di SN2 siya. Magpuproduce
stronger.
to ba?
Pero ano po, pero mas magandang living group yung I. So, ba't
SN2. But it doesn't mean that iodide is not a stronger nucleophile compared to chlorine, right?
stronger yata po siya?
Mm-hmm.
Ay,
So
hindi.
therefore,
Wala.
mm,
Basta, ba't stronger living I? Better living. Ay, ba't stronger living
mhm.
group po si I? So, kung
Kasi
form na
tignan mo
yan, aalis
ano
siya
yung
right away.
no, may mali ka pa kasi dito eh. Ano yung orientation ni chlorine?
Actual.
Mm-hmm. Is this stable for chlorine?
Eh.
Mm-hmm. What's ideal?
Okay, okay. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, okay.
Kasi hindi mo
Okay,
siya
okay.
drinowing
So pag
ng
na backside attack, hindi, natama na po.
Oo.
Erase ko lang.
Yes,
So,
correct.
tama na.
Pero ayan.
Na-drawing ko na po yan. So, dapat
Oo,
konti.
yeah.
Dapat 0.01 points.
Actually, nakita ko yung sagot mo, sabi ko, ay, nakuha niya naman. Pero nung ano, nagulat ako, hala, binago niya.
Dapat may 0.01 dyan.
Why 0.01? Defend your 0.01 there. First and foremost, E1 is not the major mechanism. The second one, this is not the product. This is the product. Third one is you don't have any stereoisomerism here, except for this third butyl, and it's part of the given given structure. Okay, so this is the only product via SN2. O, 0 out of 1. Uy, at least ka 1 point lang yun na mismo eh. Dapat pala tinaasan ko tong item na to, letter E. Pero you get the idea. Why this one is more
Very
stable.
sudden. Very sudden.
This one is preferred because this one is in equatorial position already
Okay.
compared to this
But,
in
but, but if,
HL. I won.
diba, that's not fair. But, dapat din, dito.
Yeah, the mousetrap has won. Victory is mine. Hindi, joke lang. Anyways, for letter F, let's see. Ito na naman tayo. Hindi ka nag-share confirmation. Eh, naka-share to. 'Di ba? How can I know if this one is in axial or equatorial? I will only know that these are in cis or trans. Pero I don't know if these substituents are in equatorial or axial positions. Minus ka kagad dyan. Check ko muna. Okay, ang sagot ko ay correct. Ito, may OCH3. 25 degrees Celsius. Via SN1. Correct. Ito ang mag-predominate. Wow, natama niya. Tapos ito yung product. Tapos, E1. Correct. Ito ang magiging minor. Ayun. Tignan mo to, Josh. This is the correct answer, right? SN1. Can you draw this in chair conformation, please? Your answer in letter F.
Anyway, so
Letter
kasi,
F. Answer in letter F. Mag-chair
ah,
confirmation ka.
kasi first of all,
Nako,
okay, naka
First of all, chair confirmation yung binigay sa problem. Why did you turn it into a Hayward projection?
kasi I'm too wala po
I
akong
know.
tablet. Tapos ano,
Mm.
pero yung isa ba, the
Oh, I know. The
and
confirmation matters.
it can run as either
Mm. Oh,
side. First to draw the
so,
chair confirmation backband.
sige, wait,
One
wait,
thing,
wait. I'll draw the base form. Mm. Mm. There you go. Mm. I'm telling you, dalawa kaagad ang products dito. Go. Yung tibuok mo yan. Ano
nilagay ko po
yan?
siya para
Standard yan. Yep. Very good. Dapat yung isa ay naka-OCH3. Yan yung isa. At sino ang major dyan sa dalawang yan?
lang.
Correct.
No, no, no,
No.
no. How did I not
Major
see it?
product.
It's so sad. Parang, ano na.
Tapos this one will be greater in composition. Ha ha ha. I won again. Hindi, joke lang. So anyways, mhm. Tama mo naman yung E1 tapos minor siya yung structure. So 1.5 na to. Tama mo na major to, pero mali lang yung structures mo. Hindi siya specified. Generic. Wow. Sige, I'm generous. 2.5 out of 3. Imagine 2.5 out of 3, ha? For letter G, you have 3-chloropentane. Okay. Methoxide. E2 ang major product kasi nga strong base ito. Tapos 50 degrees. However, may minor ka na via SN2. Okay, tama. Nice. 3 out of 3. E2 major, ito yung structure. Mhm. Tapos, SN2 minor. Okay, ito yung structure. For letter H, the major product would be, okay, this is acetate, right? Tapos, 3-chloropentane. Mhm. Ah, Josh, bakit E1 tsaka SN1? If SN2 and E2 are more applicable. Acetate ion is a weak base, correct. Tapos ang major product supposed to be here is weak base C acetate. Dapat ang major mo ay ito, yung substitution product, not the elimination product. Tapos E2 tsaka SN2 to. Naku po. Kasi si acetate is a weak base, pero it's a good nucleophile. Not super strong, pero it's still a good nucleophile. So, pero tama yung structures mo. Yun lang ang tinama mo yung structures. Tapos, this should be the not major. Ito ang major mo. SN2 predominates versus versus E2
At the
because
but po
yeah,
kaya ba
it's
kaya ba ng
trichloropentain eh. Oo naman, kayang-kaya ng SN2 yan. Good good nucleophile si acetate, seriously. Kayang-kaya niyang ipatalsikin dyan si chlorine and then magkakaroon ka ng substitution product like this. And it's SN2. Good nucleophile siya eh. Hindi naman siya weak nucleophile. So, natama mo lang structures. Oh, 1 out of 3. Okay, anyways, for letter I, you have R2 bromobutane. Hydroxide to at 25 degrees Celsius.
SN2
SN2 ang
dominant.
Hmm. Okay, tama naman to. Ito ay correct. Yep. Okay. I have a problem here, Josh. Si hydroxide kasi ay strong base. So therefore, ang answer ko ay E2 ang major products natin.
Ay,
However, yung temp kasi strong base siya. Yun muna yung, hmm, yeah, yung temp kasi yung
kasi
pwede mong ilaban.
solubility
In, what's your given solvent? Ah, wala. Water to for
pero
sure.
ma-assume na dapat yung mga
Mhm. Or
opo,
Aqueous. I mean, ay, hindi naman
opo.
Aqueous. Polar siya.
Therefore, dapat talaga
Though, strong base kasi si hydroxide eh. Yeah. Pero ang ano ka. Sige, I'll accept your your defense.
elusive.
Hindi, I'll accept your defense. Kasi ang una kong kino-consider talaga dyan yung reagent. This is a strong base. Elimination kagad ang i-favor niyan regardless of temperature. Pero dahil mababa nga naman yung temp, we can assume these are, feeling ko relatively, pag ginawa to sa lab, these are hindi naman siguro. super magkakalayo. Very large differences uh, for the yield. Siguro pag pinag-combine kasi nga to, baka maging major products tong elimination over the substitution. Pero kung by single lang sila, this one will be the major product. Sige, I'll accept this. OH correct. There should be okay, lip twist ng ano. Okay, ito. Tama naman. Yeah, 3 out of 3. Nag-twist yung or nagkaroon ng inversion of stereochemistry. Okay. Then for letter J, this is interesting. 3-bromo-3-methylhexane. So ito yun. So quaternary to. Via SN1 muna. Very good. Both major racemic. Correct. Racemic ang magiging product natin.
A.
Mhm. Okay, good. Major. Very good. Wow, nakuha mo to lahat.
A.
Ilang? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, tama. Tapos, you'll also have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Double bond. Okay. Okay. Minor. You can also have 1, 2. Okay. Okay. Ito yun. Okay, correct. And you can, wow, nakuha mo lahat ng E1 na minor products. E1, tapos ito lahat. Good. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll give you 4 out of 4 for this. Madami kasing products yan eh. Tsaka na-predict mo naman, SN1 tsaka E1 yan. Tapos SN1 ang major na racemic, then E1 lahat, puro minor. Then finally, we have letter K. Hmm. Ano please, please? Is this a strong face?
Yes. Unfortunately, I still have a subject.
Why?
Ako, pwede mag...
Ay, hindi.
Ano ba,
Hindi
pwede.
niya, hindi niya
Saka
talaga
high
kaya
temperature.
mag-eliminate.
High temperature pa, high temperature.
Hindi.
Ano ba,
Kahit i-item mo yan.
Kahit na
Oh, what?
pwede pa mag
And then,
iwan, through iwan.
through iwan?
Ano ba?
Pero very minor yan.
Pero at least meron ba? At least meron.
Ay, nakakainis. Pero yeah, dahil lang dito sa
Yun
temp.
lang.
Alam mo kung ano yung only product? Substitution product. Ano lang
Pwede
yan?
yan. Dapat
1,
meron.
2,
Dapat may,
4,
dapat ma-count mo yan.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Di ba pwede naman na,
Tapos,
di ba pa pwede count ng konti yun?
ito lang ang only product. Substitution lang yan. Ay, dapat pala 25 ko to.
Oo.
Sige, I'll accept this. This is not your major, pero these are all your minor products. Gawa nitong methanol. Good observation naman.
Wow. Wow.
Point, 0.25. 0.5 out of 2. Oh, ayan. Anyway, so ayan, 6:04 na Josh. Uh, it's nice that you answered this really interesting na question, no? Kasi nga this is a summary of what we have learned for the reactions of alkyl halides, either you go to the substitution route or to the elimination route, no? So it's nice that we have these things. So for sure magagamay mo na yan sa mga next items kasi ang alam ko ay ang mga next items ay mga may mixtures na rin ng SN1, SN2, E1, and E2. Okay? Anyway, we still have 2 minutes left na lang, Josh. I'll meet you on Monday na, Josh, ha? Clear? Okay. So, either 2 to 4 or 3 to 5 p.m. And then, I'll just message you. Pero I prefer 2 to 4. Kaso lang minsan kasi tulog ka pa ata. So, okay lang na magpahinga ka naman. We can start around 2:30. Okay?
Tama.
Okay, we will not be meeting tomorrow dahil meron lang akong event.
Oh,
Okay, so yeah. Nakadami naman
ba?
tayong items.
Ilang
26 to 28, pero kasi yung 28 mo, 11 items yan. Naubos natin siya. Nice. At saka masaya to. Mayroon ka ng mixture nung ano, nung mga SN1, SN2, E1 in
marami ako.
Wait. Nasa 28 ano? Ilan yung total? 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, 24, 26. Out of 26, wow, grabe yung item na to 26 points.
Tama.
26 points ang total. Wala, may 1 minute na, 1 minute na lang. Total ko na.
Ilan po yung
3, 26. 3, 5, 6, 8.5, 11.5, 12.5, 15.5, 19.5, 19.5, 20. 20 out of 26 ka.
okay,
Nice.
very bad.
Okay. Hindi. Okay lang yun.
Okay.
I'll see you on Monday, Josh.
Kabawi yan.
Mhm. Yeah, sakto mag-ending na siya. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye po.
Mm-mm. Ingat kayo. Enjoy the weekend, Josh.
Kailan po? Good luck po sa event.
Sige, sige. Salamat.